Dear friends, in class 7 we are studying 6th chapter, the triangle and its properties, and we are trying to understand the concept sum of the length of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. This property we are solving, and in exercise 6.4 we have the question. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than 2 times AC plus BD? Now see, we are given a quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD. So we need diagonals to prove, because AC plus BD are the diagonals. So you can say in this solution we are given that in quadrilateral ABCD, diagonals AC and BD. Please note here, diagonals AC and BD intersect at point O. Intersect at O. So I have considered this point O. Watch carefully. In quadrilateral ABCD, diagonal AC and diagonal BD intersect at O. Now we have the property sum of two sides. We have the property sum of two sides. Sum of two sides of a of a triangle. Sum of two sides of a triangle is sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle is always greater than third side. This is what we have studied. Sum of lengths of, I have forgotten this word, lengths of two sides of a triangle is always greater than third side. This is what we are studying, we are trying to understand. Now in triangle AOB, watch carefully, this time I am considering a triangle AOB. In triangle AOB, I can say that sum of two lengths, that is AO plus BO, is greater than the third side. Or I can write, we are asked that this is smaller than this, so I am writing opposite. AB is smaller than the sum of two sides. So I can say that AB is less than sum of lengths of two sides, or third side is less than sum of the two sides, that is AO plus BO. Watch carefully. We are using the same property, sum of lengths of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So AO plus BO is greater than third side, means this third side is smaller than AO plus BO. Now in triangle BOC, watch carefully. In triangle BOC, I can say that BC is smaller than BO plus CO. Then in triangle COD, same property we are using. I can say that this CD is less than CO plus DO. And in triangle AOD, AD is less than, or DA is less than AO plus DO. Now watch carefully. AB is smaller than this, BC is smaller than this, CD is less than CO plus DO, and DA is less than AO plus DO. Now if you add these equations, if smaller is added to the smaller and greater is added to the greater, smaller remains smaller and greater becomes greater. It means we will get AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. I am doing addition of equations. Adding equations 1, 2, 3 and 4. Adding 1, 2, 3, 4 will get AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than AO plus BO plus BO plus CO plus CO plus BO plus AO plus BO. Now watch carefully. This LHS remains as it is, AB plus BC, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than. Now watch carefully. This is AO and AO. AO plus AO is twice AO. Twice AO. Plus BO plus BO is twice BO. Then CO plus CO is twice CO. Plus DO plus DO is twice DO. Now if you take 2 common, we will get AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. 2 is taken common. I am rearranging the equations. Watch carefully. AO, instead of writing AO plus BO plus CO plus DO, I am writing AO plus CO plus BO plus DO. Only rearranging the term. I will get AO plus CO plus BO plus DO. Now look at the figure. AO plus CO is nothing but AC and BO plus DO is nothing but BD. So AO plus CO is nothing but AC and BO plus DO is nothing but BD. So from figure I can say that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2 times AC plus BD. AC plus BD. So thus we have proved whatever was asked. Dear friends, we are solving the problems from exercise 6.4 and the last question is the length of 2 sides of a triangle are 12 cm and 15 cm. So 2 sides are given to us, that is, we will consider their names as AB is equal to 12 centimeters and BC is equal to 15 centimeters. Between what two measures should the length of third side fall? Now we know that sum of length of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So we have the property, we have sum of lengths of two sides of triangle is always greater than third side. Means AB plus BC is always greater than AC. So in triangle ABC, if this is triangle ABC, AB is 12 centimeter and BC is 15 centimeter. We have AB plus BC is greater than AC. It means 12 plus 15 is greater than AC. It means 27 is greater than AC. It means AC is smaller than 27. AC is smaller than 27. Now please watch carefully. We have another property that the difference between the two sides is always less than the third side. So we also have the another property that the difference between any two sides of a triangle is always smaller than is always smaller than the third side. It means BC is bigger, so we can subtract AB from BC. So BC minus AB must be smaller than AC. AC is always bigger than BC minus AB. That is 15 minus 12 is less than AC. It means 3 is smaller than AC. Thus, you can see this AC is greater than 3 but smaller than 27. So 3 is smaller than AC is smaller than 27. Thus, this third side should have the length between 3 centimeter and 27 centimeter. Thus AC must fall between 3 centimeter and 27 centimeters. So length of the third side must fall. AC must fall between, or you can say thus length of third side must be between 3 centimeter and 27 centimeter. Please note, it does mean that it must not be 3 centimeter, must not be 27. It must be greater than 3 centimeter and smaller than 27 centimeters.